Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Tenda router. Whether you're installing a new device or upgrading from an older model, we'll make it easy for you. Let's dive into the setup. First, let's unbox the Tenda router. Inside the box, you'll find the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and the user manual. Make sure you have everything you need before proceeding. Next, let's connect the router. Start by plugging the power adapter into the router and then into a power outlet. Ensure the connection is secure to avoid any power issues during setup. Now, grab the Ethernet cable and connect one end to your modem, and the other end to the router's WAN port, typically marked with a distinct color for easy identification. Power on the router by pressing the power button. Wait for the router to fully boot up. This may take a couple of minutes. Once the router is powered on, you need to connect your computer or smartphone to the router's Wi-Fi network. Look for the network name on the label at the bottom of the router. Open a web browser on your connected device and type 192.168.0.1 into the address bar. This will take you to the router's login page. Enter the default username and password. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the setup wizard. This usually involves selecting your connection type, DHCP, PPPoE, static IP, and entering any necessary details provided by your ISP. Next, let's set up your Wi-Fi network. Go to the wireless settings section. Here, you can change your SSID to something more personal and set a strong password. Lastly, you can explore additional settings like guest networks, parental controls, and QoS settings in the router's web interface. Customize these features according to your needs. If you